get one, bro. At least one. We got one with Kyrie. You can like when you saw it. We can't get swept.
I respect a group of talent, but also a group of minds as well. Every possession is pressure.
Bro, I don't know that.
They get more George.
He did not have the talent. And I think
they got somebody who's just
right. You do this in a heartbeat. Could there ever be a scenario though where this would happen? Because the coolest thing about this for the Browns, he might retire. What is this shipwreck? You guys he might retire.
That would be crazy though.
2007. If there was someone like Greg Oden out there, you took him. There's historical track record to indicate the dominant defensive stance.
This is just mean. It's just mean. You don't need to bring him into this.
They were doing
That's right. That's right.
They understood what was going on and what was at play, right? Now, that Wendy Tenor is perhaps slightly different. We should also show you this is the president. He was talking about Singapore, but while this happened, somebody asked other questions.